Hello creative people, welcome to Advitya Fashion World. In today's video, I am going to show you basics of punch needle and some stitches regarding to this. In this package I ordered this from Amazon a year ago. I will try to provide you link in description box. In this package I got punch needle machine, 3 needles in different sizes, small, medium and large, and 2 large needle threaders and user manual. This is the punch needle which I got. We can adjust this punch needle according to our requirement. Okay, let's see material requirement for this embroidery. Bunch of anchor threads, snippers, crochet threads, scissors and brush to clean, and a fabric glue, and of course hoop and fabric. This is how we have to fix fabric to hoop. In this form it should be. So here let's see how to change needle. So we have to remove it out in this way, and we have to remove needle and arrange required needle in this way. We have to insert it and then we have to put it back into machine. Here I arranged thin needle at very minimum number. Now let's see how to arrange thread into it. We had 2 holes for this needle. So first insert needle threader through this hollow space in this way. Now insert this thread into needle threader like this. Now pull needle threader back through needle and remove thread from it. Now again we have to insert needle threader through hole from back side like this, and again insert thread into needle threader, and again pull it back. Now your punch needle was ready to stitch. So here we can adjust thread from both sides by pulling. We can pull it from front and back. So there should be minimum length of thread at starting point. Yeah, this is the minimum length of thread at front. Now let me show you basic rule of this stitch. So thread which was at front should follow the needle in this way, and while starting we have to hold thread and then we have to punch into fabric. Then we will continue stitching by punching needle into fabric. In this embroidery we can rectify mistakes. Yeah, as just I am showing you, we can correct fabric by doing in this way. Here this is the first and basic stitch. With this basic stitch I gonna complete this entire motif. This punch needle technique basically depends on type of thread we are using and how much length of needle we are keeping. Here I am using thin needle with minimum length, so we will get very small loops at wrong side of fabric. Here if you observe, I am changing my needle direction according to motif. So here I am using a thin needle at minimum length with a thin thread, so I will get a very flat motif with small loops at wrong side. I will show you at wrong side also. You can observe how it looks. This I am stitching on right side of fabric. This will give flat surface. It can't be seen as thin 3D type. So here I completed filling of this motif. Yeah, this is completed and I will snip off threads. And now I am pushing these two threads to wrong side in this way. Yeah, I got these two threads. So by pulling this out to wrong side, this stitch got secured, and here I am applying fabric glue. So this will add extra secure to your motif. That's all for this video. My heartfelt thanks to people who subscribed my channel. And I am requesting to people who are watching my channel for the first time, please do watch my previous videos, and if you feel they are useful, please do subscribe and hit bell icon so you never miss my updates. Thank you for watching.